Hey guys, great to see you again. Dan Eckhart with Straight Line Construction, where we help people love where they live. Today we're at the Veninga residence, and we've been working with them on and off for about 8 years. We finished a kitchen for them, we finished an addition for them, and right now we're working on a couple bathrooms. Come on in and I'll give you guys a tour. We love a unique challenge. Here we have a bathroom in progress. We decided to go with a walk-in tub to design with the future in mind. These large walk-in tubs can be difficult sometimes to get in a house, and here we had to widen the doorway in order to get it in, but it's no trouble at all. We were able to put the doorway back. We've just wrapped up tile and paint, and we'll be putting in the final fixtures. This tub comes with some amazing features where we can actually open the door to get in for easy access. We've got quick drains, inline heaters, jets, air therapy, and easy access controls behind these panels. These kind of things are things that we love to do to help the client design with the future in mind. So when we started working with Miss Veninga, she wanted to accomplish 3 things. She wanted to accomplish tradition with elegance, she wanted to make sure she had plenty of room for entertaining, and she also wanted to make sure that she can enjoy her hobby like baking and cooking. What we were able to do in this kitchen is move the refrigerator across the room, which allowed us to install glass cabinets, wine storage, and stemware. Below we've got some rollout trays for easy access storage. We were able to hide the trash can in a cabinet. Next to that we have room for cookie trays and spices. Then we have the dishwasher and the sink. In this particular application, we moved the sink down from the center, again to allow for a nice elongated countertop for entertaining and baking. And as we get to the corner, a lot of times storage is a premium and we have a hard time accessing it. So we went ahead and installed a Lazy Susan. Delivering on the client's design is what makes our job so rewarding and so much fun. This was an outdoor space. It was just a slab and a screen enclosure. And what she had envisioned is an enclosure where she could express herself and show off her creativity. So now what you see before you is an enclosed, air-conditioned space where she can watch her movies and enjoy her crafts. Well, this is Miss Veninga's master bathroom. When we sat down and met at the design meeting, what she wanted to accomplish in this current space proposed some design challenges. And so after careful consideration and preparation, we were able to move some things around to create nice, big, open design concepts in her closet where she maximized her storage. The vanity used to be here on the back wall, and we couldn't get it quite as big as we wanted it, so we went ahead and moved it, shifted it around here so she could end up with more storage. And then with that, we were able to expand the shower out into the hallway and into the adjacent bedroom. It gave her the size she wanted with the features she wanted. Here we've got a rain head, we've got a gorgeous deco strip, we've got a standard shower head around the corner, we've got a handheld, and we have some great frameless glass. Easy to clean, and keeping you warm when you're showering these big showers.
I would absolutely recommend Straight Line Construction for any remodeling projects that anyone would have.
Thanks for coming to visit us at Miss Veninga's house. It was a pleasure showing you guys around. We can't wait to see you next time.